This video is a creative vision of futuristic homes. These ideas are not real today, but they may be possible in the future. Let's begin the journey. Imagine stepping into a home that responds to your every thought, where the walls are alive, and reality itself bends to your will. Welcome to the year 2050. Welcome to my holographic smart home. Picture this: the front door recognizes you before you even reach it, sliding open with a gentle whisper. As you enter, the floors softly illuminate beneath your feet, guiding you through a living space that feels more like a living organism than a building. Every wall is crafted from intelligent glass, completely transparent one moment, then swirling with vibrant holographic scenes the next. Want to wake up to a sunrise over the Alps or work in a rainforest setting? Just think it, and the house adapts instantly. Gone are the clunky switches and endless remotes. Here, your thoughts and gestures are the only controls you need. The AI at the heart of the home, whom I call Aura, learns your routines, preferences, and even senses your mood. If you're feeling stressed, Aura dims the lights, plays calming music, and projects soothing visuals across the walls. If you're in a creative mood, the space transforms into an art studio, complete with virtual canvases and tools. Privacy is never compromised. With a simple command, your home shields you from the outside world, frosting the glass and activating advanced security. Yet, when you want to connect, your friends and family can appear as life-sized holograms, joining you for a meal or a movie night, no matter where they are in the world. This home is more than shelter, it's an extension of your mind and personality. It's energy efficient, harvesting solar power through transparent panels and recycling water invisibly. Everything about it is designed to adapt, evolve, and anticipate your needs before you even realize them. In this house, your imagination is the only limit. The future isn't just smart, it's alive, responsive, and deeply personal. Welcome to the next generation of living. Let's be brutally honest. Today's so-called smart homes aren't actually that smart. We're still fumbling with clunky touch panels that freeze up, dealing with limited automation that barely works half the time, and drowning in screens everywhere we look. Your kitchen counter, your bathroom mirror, your bedroom wall, it's screen overload, and frankly, it's exhausting. But here's where it gets interesting. What if your home could become a true extension of your mind? Not just responding to voice commands or app taps, but actually anticipating your needs before you even realize them yourself. Imagine walls that are intelligent, not just displaying information, but thinking, learning, adapting to your lifestyle in real time. Picture walking into a room and having it instantly know whether you need energizing light for productivity or calming ambience for relaxation. That's not science fiction anymore. That's the reality I'm about to show you. This is the world I've built, an AI-integrated mirror house, where every surface is a living interface. The glass walls are more than just windows, they're intelligent, adaptive, and holographic. Powered by a neural AI core, this home anticipates your needs, learns your habits, and transforms at your command. Imagine walking through rooms where the walls themselves become your entertainment system, your workspace, your art gallery. The mirror surfaces don't just reflect, they respond. Touch one, and it becomes a control panel. Speak to another, and it displays real-time information. The AI doesn't just automate your home, it becomes your home. With 21 years in AI technology, I've witnessed the evolution from simple automation to true intelligence. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the blueprint for how we'll live, work, and connect in the very near future. Welcome to the Mirror House revolution. Step inside and meet the true centerpiece, the intelligent glass walls. With just a wave of your hand, these walls morph into anything you desire. One moment, you're surrounded by a panoramic movie theater, the next you're gazing through virtual windows that open onto any world you can imagine. Need to focus? Instantly, the glass becomes an interactive workspace, displaying your to-do lists, calendars, or even a full 3D model of your latest project. Worried about privacy? Relax. Just speak, and the walls frost over, shielding you from the outside world in seconds. But this is more than a clever party trick. The glass is powered by a neural AI core, meaning it recognizes your gestures, senses your mood, and even learns your daily rhythms. It adapts the tint to match the weather, harvests solar energy, and can project calming visuals if it detects stress. This isn't just smart glass, it's living architecture that anticipates your every need and brings your imagination to life. Meet Aura, the AI that lives in every reflection, seamlessly woven into the fabric of your mirror house. She's not just a voice assistant, Aura is an intuitive presence. As you move through your home, she senses your mood through subtle cues, your expression, your tone, even your posture, and instantly adapts the environment to match. If you're stressed, the lighting softens and calming music fills the room. If you're energized, Aura brightens the space and offers productivity tips. But Aura's real magic is her ability to learn. With every interaction, she becomes more attuned to your routines and preferences. She'll remind you of important tasks, suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge, and even recommend wellness breaks when you need them most. Aura isn't just smart, she's personal, making your home feel like it truly understands you. Every mirror in this home is a portal to a smarter life. Step into the bathroom, and your reflection comes alive. Real-time health stats float beside you, tracking sleep, hydration, and more, while your morning news headlines update automatically. No more fumbling with devices before coffee. Move to the kitchen, and the magic continues. Recipes appear right on the countertop glass, guiding you step by step. No sticky fingers on screens, no searching for lost tablets. Just gesture or speak, and the next instruction appears, complete with visual cues and ingredient timers. The kitchen becomes your personal sous chef, learning your preferences and even suggesting meals based on what's in your fridge. This is more than convenience, it's a seamless blend of AI and daily living, designed to make every moment easier, healthier, and more inspiring. Security here is utterly seamless, an invisible, intelligent shield. The house doesn't just have locks, it has awareness. It recognizes who belongs and who doesn't on a fundamental level, adapting its defenses instantly and silently to any potential threat. There are no keys to lose, no codes to forget. Your presence is your permission. An energy? This is where it transcends being smart and becomes truly alive. The very walls are engineered to act as a power plant, passively harvesting solar energy from every angle of the sun. They store this power invisibly within their core, creating a boundless, self-sustaining energy reserve. This means the home operates in perfect harmony with the environment, generating more than it consumes. It isn't just sustainable, it's a net positive force, as radically green as it is profoundly intelligent. This is resilience, redefined. What if you could redesign your life from the ground up? What would you change about your home if it could think, adapt, and protect you? Would you embrace a house made of intelligent glass and responsive light, a living space that anticipates your every need? Share your boldest ideas in the comments below. Your vision could very well inspire our next revolutionary upgrade. The future of living isn't just being built, it's being co-created. With you. This isn't just a dream anymore, this is the next evolution of human living, happening right now. If you're ready to step into that future, if you want to be the first to see homes that don't just exist, but think and feel, then you need to be part of this. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon. And join me as we literally build the future, one intelligent wall, one conscious room at a time. Until next time, imagine boldly. Because what you just saw is only the beginning. And next time, we are taking everything you just saw, and we are making it disappear. We are revealing the world's first home that changes its very shape before your eyes. A house powered not just by AI, but by a next-gen artificial mind that reconfigures rooms, shifts walls, and transforms entire spaces with a single thought. The title of our next journey? This future house changes shape before your eyes, powered by next-gen AI.